Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take pictures with hand gestures on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, we can open our camera application on our phone. This is my camera application, so I'm going to open it. Then we're going to open the setting. Tap on the setting icon and we're going to scroll down until we find the shooting method setting. This one. Tap on the setting, and if you want to take pictures with hand gestures, you have to activate this feature, the show palm feature. Click on the circle button to activate it. Okay, and right after you activate this feature, you will be able to take pictures with hand gestures. And I'm going to demonstrate it like this, guys. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can take pictures with hand gestures on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.